Okay, this is gonna be a pretty quick video. I wasn't actually planning on filming it, but I realized this is so easy. We got Ranger Ken right here. If it looks a bit different, that's because we gave it a car wash. So you can really see the shiny red on it now. We're changing the front shocks. Comes out super easily, didn't even need to jack the car up. I cut the top bolt here, 2 bolts down there, take off. Already did the one on this side. Again, I didn't have to jack it up. I just compressed the shock by hand and it just fits right in. Super easy, 3 bolts. This is a $20 Monroe shock. I was a bit worried at first that 20 bucks was gonna be a really, really cheap shock. But according to reviews, Monroe is pretty good. So hopefully a $20 shock will last. It does take a bit of work, but I can compress it by hand. And it returns by itself. So like I'm pretty sure this will work for a bit. And you know, even if it only lasts me a year for 20 bucks, it was worth it. All right. Okay, we'll tighten that down in a second. So that's it. Got to tighten those two down there, the nut up top, and that's it. I don't know what the torque specs are, but also it's not a fancy German car, so we can kind of just make it up and it'll be fine. Anyways, that was less than 5 minutes on and off. So thanks for watching. You're definitely going to see more Ranger Ken because we got more stuff to do to him. And anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time.